Muling nahalal sa ikalawang pagkakataon bilang presidente ng Philippine Institute of Certified Public Accountant or PICPA Dubai si Maria Jacqueline Gonzalez. Sa isang intimate na seremonya na ginanap sa Anantara Hotel, pinangunahan ni Ambassador Alfonso Ferdinand Ver ang oath-taking ceremony ng mga bagong opisyal ng PICPA Dubai para sa taong 2026-2027.
Focus on something, do something that will want you to talk about it with your friend, with your office mate, until the wee hours of the morning, thinking of what to do, how to improve it, how to innovate, and keep you engaged.
Ang PICPA Dubai ay samahan ng mga Filipino accountants at finance professionals na naitayo noong 2016 at lisensyadong organisasyon sa Maiden Free Zone ng Dubai.
PICPA Dubai is not only dedicated for certified public accountants members, so we are welcoming our members who are in the accounting professions or in any other finance field.
Layunin ng grupo na palakasin ng Filipino Certified Public Accountants at Auditors na nasa Dubai at makilala sa buong mundo.
Our main mission and vision is to provide the professional excellence for the professionals in finance in UAE. So it is an avenue for the professionals in finance wherein they can be able to develop their ethics, their excellence in terms of providing the services in the finance functions.
We are also honoring the outgoing officers of PICPA Dubai during the fiscal year 2025 to 2026 to also show our gratitude for their support to PICPA Dubai, which is really a very important factor also. So for us to be able to continue our activities and to reach out to more Filipino accountants and finance professionals in Dubai.
Sa pamumuno ni Jacqueline at sa tulong ng kanilang founder at chairman na si Lyndon Magsino, nadagdagan ng 66% ang bilang ng kanilang miyembro at nakapagpaaral sila ng 5 estudyante sa Pilipinas.
Today, as we talk about leadership excellence, we will be having some recognition and we will offer our gratitude to all our officers who served in the last fiscal year and also to the incoming leaders. We will recognize them today as part of our leadership excellence and awarding.
Nagpapasalamat po ako sa PICPA Dubai Scholarship Leaders, Volunteers, Members. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Dahil po pinasok niyo ako dito sa scholarship niyo. Maraming tulong na po ito sa akin at sa aking pamilya.
Magpasalamat sa bumubuo ng PICPA Dubai Scholarship sa lahat ng members and sponsors. Napakalaking tulong po ito sa aking pag-aaral at sa pangangailangan ko po sa school. Sana po ay madami pa po kayong matulungan.
Bukod dito, tinutulungan din nila ang mga Pinoy accounting graduates para maganda sa SPLE o Special Professional Licensure Exam para maging ganap na certified public accountants.
So for this year, however, due to the current regional geopolitical issues, we weren't able to have it as the mandate of the Philippine government. But in next year, we are expecting that we're gonna be having it on May 2027. So we are encouraging all those aspirants, CPA aspirants, to join us so that you can be able to know more about the informations related to the SPL.
Balak ng grupo na mas paigtingin pa ang kanilang programa para madagdagan ang bilang ng mga estudyante na kanilang pinag-aaral sa Pilipinas.
So I'm challenging all the officers who will be inducted today that your legacy starts tomorrow. Can we give a round of applause to our President, Jacqueline?
Iniimbitahan din nila ang iba pang certified public accountants na sumali sa kanilang grupo.
Please join PICPA Dubai, and this is the community where you belong.
Para sa The Pinoy News Channel, Sophie Taiko Soldevilla, Dubai.